Hi, it's me, Haspa with WTI. And I'm so happy I was able to find a way to pamper myself at home without having to go to a spa with this complete skin makeover products. I got the sponges, which are cognac sponges, and they are super cool to use to have poreless skin. This face mask, it makes me feel like I'm really in a spa. I leave it on for 15 minutes, I take a rest, and it feels so refreshing. And just look at the glow my skin has after using this amazing mask. I also love this little soft dry brush. It has helped me a lot with circulation and it feels super good on my skin. The eye patches, of course, they are so good as well because they make myself look like I am awake. And this dry brush, which you can also use as a wet brush, helps a lot with dead skin cells. I have been able to get rid of all that skin cells and have smoother skin. I also love how every single product that I'm showing you guys right here is super aesthetic. I love how well designed they are. The wooden parts of each product, also the cognac sponges, it comes with a set of 3 and 2 of them are activated charcoal. And also look at this is my favorite part, the eye patches container. It is super cute. But my favorite product has definitely been these charcoal sponges, these cognac sponges. When they come as hard as a rock, but once you wet them, they become super soft and you can perfectly wash your skin with them. I am in love. And that's my point of view.